wá mi wá. Kiri owó kó wá mi wá. Kiri bá ti ṣe kí rọ́nà gbé gbàláyé tí mo wá. Kájé kó wá mi wá. Kiri owó kó wá mi wá. Kiri bá ti ṣe kí rọ́nà gbé gbàláyé tí mo wá. Yo, this is Kemi Buster. So now we are about to go to business. So we are going to tell you guys about Uchechi Onweagba Resources Plumbing Company. So this plumbing company is located in Kemi's bus stop, Akoka, Yaba, Lagos. So we are telling you guys how Uchechi Onweagba do sell his materials at cheaper rates. So Uchechi Onweagba, can you tell us why you sell your materials at cheaper rates?
Yeah, my name is Uche. People call me Uche, but my company name is Uchechi Onweagba Resources. Yeah, I do sell my market in a cheaper rate because I look like people are complaining about the materials is too high. They cannot be able to afford to repair what problems they're facing in their house. So the complaint has been going when somebody went to the customer and a right quotation finished, and the customer will postpone the job because the material rate is too high. So the people come back to me and complain that what can we do to help the people that are using this product, plumbing material. I look at it this way, okay, what can I do? I said, okay, the reason is that I need to help people. I now bring my product very cheap in a way that they can favor both the plumbers and also people that are using it. So I give them in a cheaper rate and they will rent and they work for people. And also the people is satisfied with my product. And my product is a product that lasts for long for people. When they visit, people that they visit to ask them where did they bought this material, they told them yes, this is the Uchechi company in Kemi's bus stop, Akoka, St. Peter's College Road in Barega. So since then, I've been getting more popular of customers in different ways, in different angles. So people are buying, we supply to individuals, we supply to companies, and also we sell for people that are using in their houses. This is the cheapest one.
So if I'm to speak for the viewer now, I know their next question is going to be on quality, quantity. So what is the quality of the materials that we are buying at the cheaper rates?
Yeah, like a basic tap, kitchen tap, wall taps, and also the conduit stock cups. Why I sell it to cheaper rates for them is because of this my products. I went to manufacture it and I bring it back and I know how much I manufacture, the manufacture for me, and I know how much I sell to them. But what matters is not about the how much I make, but also to help people, the masses, because some people that cannot afford that higher rate, that's why I bring it to lower so that everybody can benefit from it.
So we have heard about the reason why Sir Uchechi Onweagba sells his materials at cheaper rates. So we can patronize Sir Uchechi. Is located in Kemi's bus stop, Akoka, Yaba, Lagos. So you can come and buy your materials at a cheaper rate. And we are showing you, according to what he said he sells his materials at cheaper rate with good quality. And I assure you the materials are gonna be good. And
not only that, yeah, but anybody that bought my product, they do tell me that they can
oh, that is assurance for you. àìmọ̀ ìgbà tí mo ti dìde tí mo ti ṣubú. Àìmọ̀ ìbútọ́ ni mo dẹ́ ti tọ́ ni mo kú. Àìmọ̀ iṣó tí mo ti lọ tí mo ti ṣán. Àìmọ̀ èyí tí mo ti lọ tọ́ ti ní kí n gbẹ́nu sọ. Àìmọ̀ èyí tí mo ti lọ tọ́ ti ní kí ló ń sọ. Àìmọ̀ èmi ṣàwọ́ lọ́mọ yẹn keeping ambition. Lyrical distilling me, lyrical sickle cypher. Bọ́lélẹ̀ láti flow torí tèmi náà sì máa ṣe bonanza. Lyrical I'm not lucky, àbíbẹni tó fa kókè àná ló sọ. Jẹun lọ, bọ́jẹ̀ ń gbọ́ pẹ́ lọ, bọ́jẹ̀ ń gbowó lọ, bọ́jẹ̀ ń sáṣẹ́ lọ. Kájé kó wá mi wá, kiri owó kó wá mi wá. Kiri bá ti ṣe kí rọ́nà gbégbà láyé tí mo wá. Kájé kó wá mi wá, kiri owó kó wá mi wá. Kiri bá ti ṣe kí rọ́nà gbégbà láyé tí mo wá. Àìmọ̀ ìgbà tí mo ti dìde tí mo ti ṣubú. Àìmọ̀ ìbútọ́ ni mo dẹ́ ti tọ́ ni mo kú. Àìmọ̀ iṣó tí mo ti lọ tí mo ti ṣán. Àìmọ̀ èyí tí mo ti lọ tọ́ ti ní kí n gbẹ́nu sọ. Àìmọ̀ èyí tí mo ti lọ tọ́ ti ní kí ló ń sọ. Àìmọ̀ èmi ṣàwọ́ lọ́mọ yẹn keeping ambition. Lyrical distilling me, lyrical sickle cypher. Bọ́lélẹ̀ láti flow torí tèmi náà sì máa ṣe bonanza. Lyrical I'm not lucky, àbíbẹni tó fa kókè àná ló sọ bàtà. Àbíbẹni tó wá masturbate. Rabbit's my culture. Èbú mi ò ní bus stop. Ẹni rábà tó bá bẹ́ sí mi ọmọ gbé lẹ́nu ẹ̀kọ́ tó sọ. Rabbit's water like picture mi lẹ́ni megabyte. No matter the smackdown, ọdún mi ò ní tap out. Actually for rap to me I'm not okay. Orúkọ mi lẹ́ máa kàn lẹ́ máa kàn Jésù lẹ́ bá ti yọjú. Kájé kó wá mi wá, kiri owó ètè la. One paying client don do me. Kórìdà kò sọ mí sówó. One paying client don do me. Kẹlẹ̀ kàmí dákú tètè la.